The paradigm we are going to use is pretty simple. At the beginning of each trial, there is a central fixation point for 3 to 6 seconds. And the participants are instructed to look at the green point at the center of the screen. This is how the screen looks. Then there are two options. Either there is a gap condition with the green central point disappeared for 200 milliseconds, not for long, but it is not there anymore, or it stays all the time, which is the overlap condition. And then there will be, well, those two are random, and then also in a random way, there are 4 different conditions with target left, target right. Each condition has 20 trials, and target left, target right with the central fixation preserved, which is the overlap condition, also 20 and 20 trials. In total, there will be 80 trials. So as soon as the peripheral target appears on the screen, the participants must look at it, make a saccade towards the target, and click on the left key, left mouse key with left hand, and if the target is on the right, with right hand. The two things, a saccade, the ocular reaction, and the manual, the hand response, which is the same for gap or the overlap. In this case, a saccade towards left and the click with left hand, and a saccade towards the right and a click with right hand. This is how the participants are located respectively to the screen and the notebook. Nothing peculiar here. And two measure conditions: the baseline with fixation on the green central point, and as soon as the target appears, there must be a saccade and a click with the right hand. Well, obviously, if the target is on the left, then there is a saccade towards left, and a click with left hand.